So let's understand. In this video we are going to understand delete first node. Okay, first node of a singly linked list. Okay, so we are going to see this concept, how to delete the first node of a linked list, given linked list. Okay, so how we are going to solve, let's try to understand. Think that we have given a linked list. Okay, let's say we have given a node 10 and its reference is pointing to the next node, and the next node pointing to is 1, we can say, and the next node is pointing to some other node, that is nothing but 11. Okay, and the next node is null, right? This is what we used to do, right? So if these are the nodes we have given in the linked list, okay, means if this is the linked list we have given, it means what we have given, it means we have given head. What we have given? Head we have given. Okay, so if I want to delete the linked list of a first node, right, first node of a linked list, so how we are going to delete it? Okay, so let's try to understand first. Okay, so think of like if we'll create we call this a temp. Okay, if we will create a temp node here, right, or reference we can say, so that what I'm trying to do is we can keep moving the head ahead, right, because we need to remove the head from here and it should point to here. It means what exactly I want to remove the head from here like this, right? So if the head will move, right, means head will remove from the 10 and it will point to 1, right? This is what we want, right? So how we can do that? Okay, once the head will point to 1, means we have to cut these pointing node also, this pointing next node also, right? So this temp should be temporarily keep this node 10, but our head will move from 10 to 1 like this. If we can do this thing, right, so if you want to return what is the deleted node, right, so we can show this is our deleted this is our deleted first node, deleted first node. It means we should return this temp. Okay, this is what we want. Okay, let's try to write a sample code. Okay, so we can understand easily. Let's think that let's come back a little bit. Okay, let's think that we have a method called public, and in list node is a class that we have on the linked list. So we can in the Leetcode, right, so we can say public list node, and we can give the function name is delete first. Okay guys, so what we will do, we'll create public list node first delete. Okay, and then if we have given, the head will be given, right, so we'll say okay, the given is list node, right, and that is nothing but head is given. Okay, so we can start like this. Okay, the very first, if the head itself, means I'm talking about this one, if this head is deleted, then what we will do, if it is pointing to this node, right, but let's suppose this head that is pointing, right, if it is itself is a null, then what we should do, so that cases we have to also take care. Means I want to say if the given head is equal to null, we can say that, right? In that case, we will return null. Okay, very simple. Will not do anything. This is the base condition. Means agar the given node, there is a linked list given, head is given, and head is null, means there is no node. If no node is there, we cannot delete anything. So we'll return null. Further, let's suppose we have some nodes we have given the linked list. Means we want a temp, right? We want a temp node, right? So it will point to the temp node here, right? But head will move from here to the next node, right? And then we'll remove this pointer, next node pointer we will remove, right? So how we will do that? Very first, what we need to do, we'll say, okay, let's create a temp node, right? So the list node we have, right, and we'll give this name as a temp. So this is temp, and we'll start from the head. So it will also point to head itself, right? We have seen that this is pointing from the head itself, right? We are not moving. We are keeping this temp also on the head, and this head is also pointing to this point, right? So both will start from head. Now, once this is done, so what we need to do, we have to say, okay, head is nothing but head dot next, because we want the first node on the next node, right? So we'll get the next node. So head is updated now, means it is now pointing from here to here. So this pointing is done now. Now once the head is moved, what we need to do, we'll say, okay, remove this next node thing, the link we have to remove, right? So we'll say, okay, the temp that we have here, right, on the next, you just need to remove the link. So what you need to do, we'll set null, and then this link was there, right? Now this link is deleted, kind of this, right? So we have set null. Once this is done, we'll return the deleted node, and the deleted node is temp. Okay, so this way we can solve any problem if we have given and we want to delete the very first node, right? Means we have given this node, we can say these nodes we have given the linked list, and we want to delete the first node, this node, right? What we need to do, so we, in beginning, the head is pointing to the first node, because the first node contains all the nodes information, right? So what we want to delete this node. It means we want to remove the head from here, and we'll point from here, right? And for that we want to create a new list, we can say, or node, list node, and we'll keep that value, head value will keep there, right? And once we will keep this value, so the next pointer should be removed, because we have to mark it null. So we will do that, and head we have to move ahead. So first we have to move the head first from here to here, and then you have to delete this link. So these things we have to do: copy the head onto the temp, then move the head to the next node, and then temp.next equal to null, and remove the link. So this is what we will do, and we should do. So in case if you have any doubt, you can ping me in the comment box, and we can join from there. So that's all I have in this video. Let's continue.
Thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and let us know what you want to learn next in the comment below. And thank you for watching this video.